Oh, come over later?
Zay asks Clarissa, "You wanna come over later?" The phrase wanna is a casual way of saying want to. So, you wanna come over later means, do you want to come over later? This is a very common way to invite someone to your house in informal English. The phrasal verb come over specifically means to go to where the speaker is, often to hang out, chat, or engage in some shared activity.
Oh, come over later?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to English Watch and Learn. I'm Janie, and today we're diving into a scene from the movie, The Fire Inside. In the lesson, we'll explore real-life English conversations, learn some informal phrases, and discover how native speakers use casual language in everyday situations.
Oh, come over later? Come on. How about tomorrow?
Zay says, "How about tomorrow?" This is a polite way to suggest a different time or day. Instead of insisting on meeting Clarissa today, he suggests tomorrow. This is a great example of how to make suggestions in English. You can use how about to propose an alternative.
Oh, come over later? Come on. How about tomorrow? Come on.
Hey, focus, man.
Clarissa says, "Zay, focus, man." The word focus means to concentrate on something. When she says focus, man, she's telling Zay to pay attention and stop distracting her. The word man here is used informally to address someone, like saying dude or buddy. It's not meant to be rude, it's just casual.
Come on. How about tomorrow? Come on.
Hey, focus, man.
In a minute. Ain't focused.
Zay responds with, "I am focused." This is an example of the present simple tense, which is used to describe a general state or fact. In this case, Zay is saying that he is focused as a general statement about his current state. The verb am is the present simple form of to be, and focused is an adjective describing his state. So, I am focused means I am in a state of focus right now.
Come on.
Hey, focus, man.
In a minute. Ain't focused. You coming over? Ressa, come on.
Zay says, "Ressa, come on." The phrase come on is a very common expression in English. It can mean different things depending on the tone. Here, Zay is using it to encourage Clarissa to agree with him or to stop being so serious. This phrase has multiple meanings, including hurry up or don't be silly.
Ain't focused. You coming over? Ressa, come on. I was just messing with you.
Zay says, "I'm just messin' with you." The phrase messing with you means joking with you or teasing you. It's a playful way to say that you're not being serious. Notice how Zay drops the G in messing. This is very common in informal speech.
I was just messing with you. Ressa. Yo, Ressa. Yo, I was just playing.
Hey, I think we need to chill on this.
Clarissa says, "I think we need to chill on us." The phrase chill on us is an informal way of saying take a break from our relationship or slow things down. In English, chill is a very casual word that means relax or take it easy. So, when she says chill on us, she's suggesting they should stop dating for a while.
Yo, Ressa. Yo, I was just playing.
Hey, I think we need to chill on this.
Jason wasn't even looking.
It ain't about Jason.
Clarissa says, "It ain't about Jason." The word ain't is a very informal way of saying is not or am not. It's not considered proper grammar, but it's commonly used in casual conversations, especially in American English. So, it ain't about Jason means it is not about Jason. She's saying that her decision is not related to Jason. It's about her focus on boxing.
Yo, I was just playing.
Hey, I think we need to chill on this.
Jason wasn't even looking.
It ain't about Jason.
Huh?
Look, I ain't got time to mess around.
Clarissa says, I ain't got time to mess around. Again, we see the word ain't, which means am not. So, I ain't got time means I don't have time. The phrase mess around is an informal way of saying waste time or do things that are not serious. So, Clarissa is saying she doesn't have time for things that aren't important right now.
Hey, I think we need to chill on this.
Jason wasn't even looking.
It ain't about Jason.
Huh?
Look, I ain't got time to mess around. I've been working my whole life for this right now, man. I don't need a boyfriend. I need a sparring partner, all right?
Clarissa says, I need a sparring partner, all right? A sparring partner is someone you practice boxing with. In sports, especially boxing, a sparring partner helps you train by fighting with you in a controlled way. Also, notice how she says all right at the end. This is a way to check if the other person agrees or understands.
Huh?
Look, I ain't got time to mess around. I've been working my whole life for this right now, man. I don't need a boyfriend. I need a sparring partner, all right? I need workouts and reps, that's it.
Clarissa says, I need workouts and reps, that's it. The word workouts refers to exercise sessions, and reps is short for repetitions, which are the number of times you do an exercise. For example, if you do 10 push-ups, that's 10 reps. So, she's saying she only needs to focus on training and practicing, nothing else.
I've been working my whole life for this right now, man. I don't need a boyfriend. I need a sparring partner, all right? I need workouts and reps, that's it.
You breaking up with me?
Zay asks, You breaking up with me? The phrase break up means to end a romantic relationship. When Zay says, You breaking up with me? He's asking if Clarissa is ending their relationship. Notice how he drops the G in breaking. This is very common in informal speech. So, breakin' instead of breaking.
You breaking up with me?
No, I mean, until these Olympics, kind of.
Clarissa says, Until these Olympics, kinda. The word kinda is a casual way of saying kind of, which means a little bit or sort of. So, she's saying she's breaking up with Zay kind of until the Olympics are over. This shows she's not completely ending the relationship, just pausing it for now.
No, I mean, until these Olympics, kind of.
Kinda.
I seeded last, Zay.
Clarissa says, I seeded last, Zay. In sports, seeding refers to the ranking of players or teams in a competition. If someone is seeded last, it means they are ranked at the bottom. Clarissa is explaining that she didn't do well in her last competition, so she needs to focus on training.
I seeded last, Zay. These girls I'm fighting over there like 30. All right, they ain't got school or homework. They got people working them out all day.
Clarissa says, They got people working 'em out all day. The phrase working 'em out means training them. Notice how she drops the G in working and shortens them to 'em. This is very common in informal speech. So, she's saying that other boxers have trainers who help them practice all day.
I seeded last, Zay. These girls I'm fighting over there like 30. All right, they ain't got school or homework. They got people working them out all day, feeding them green smoothies and shit. I don't need any distractions right now.
Clarissa says, I don't need any distractions right now. A distraction is something that takes your attention away from what you're doing. For example, if you're studying and your phone keeps ringing, that's a distraction. Clarissa is saying she needs to focus on boxing and avoid anything that might take her attention away.
I don't need any distractions right now.
That's what I am.
I ain't even mean it like that.
Nah. We good. We good.
Good job. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing these words and phrases, and you'll see your English improve day by day. See you next lesson.